Hi everyone, welcome to Yen's Family Table. Today we're making traditional Hong Kong style pineapple buns with the delicious coconut filling. These buns are not only popular in Chinese bakeries, but are also a delightful treat you can easily make at home. So let's get started. Let's begin with the dough, a pillowy soft mixture of baking ingredients all combined in your mixing bowl. Stir to mix and then continue to knead the dough either by hand or in a stand mixer. Once you see that all the ingredients are combined, add in the butter and incorporate it into the dough. Sometimes you might need to adjust the amount of flour. In my case, I saw that after about 5 minutes of kneading, after the butter has been incorporated, it was still too wet and sticky. So I added 1 spoonful of flour at a time until the dough comes together and pull away from the bowl. I only had to add about 1.5 tablespoons at this point. When that happens, knead the dough until smooth and elastic, which will take about 10 minutes, and then set it aside to rise. While the dough is rising, let's prepare the crust of our pineapple buns. This combination of ingredients will yield a sweet and salty cookie topping for our soft buns. Once mixed, put it into the fridge to let it chill and harden up. After that, in a separate bowl, mix together the ingredients for the coconut filling in the same fashion. You may need to adjust the amount of egg you use so that we end up with a cohesive mixture that will stick together but not too runny. The remaining egg that we haven't used will be used for egg wash on the top of the buns later on. You want to let this mixture chill in the fridge as well, so it can set and harden. When these two mixtures have had time to chill, take them out individually and divide equally into 8 pieces. As always, I like to use a scale, but you can also eyeball. Roll the pieces into balls and back into the fridge they go until we're ready to shape those buns. Once the dough has risen beautifully, divide it into 8 equal portions as well, and pull each portion into a smooth ball of dough. This step is important because you're getting rid of those air bubbles and also achieving a smooth surface for the buns. When you have 8 smooth round balls of dough, we can fill the buns with the coconut filling. Roll out the ball of dough with the smooth side down and encase a ball of the filling into the center and carefully gather the edges together and pinch the ends to close tightly. Then place them spaced apart onto your cookie sheet to do its second rising cover. Once again, this will be happening in my oven with the lights on. And when they have puffed up and jiggly, they are ready for baking, but not before we top them with the cookie topping, of course. The best way to handle this soft mixture is to place the pre-portioned balls onto the table, cover with plastic wrap, and then press down firmly with the flat object. You can roll it out slightly with the rolling pin over the plastic, and then carefully scrape it off the table with the dough scraper and place it on top of the risen buns. Brush the tops and sides of the buns liberally with the egg wash, and then into a preheated 350 Fahrenheit 180 Celsius oven they go for 20 minutes. In that 20 minutes, you will have a fragrant, buttery smell wafting through your house. And there you have it, Chinese pineapple buns with a surprise burst of coconut in every bite. Perfect for tea time or any moment you crave a taste of sweet indulgence. As always, go to yunsfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and culinary adventures. Until next time, happy baking!